Final video to fix translate not working in Microsoft Edge, and if web pages won't translate automatically. Let me ask you, are you trying to use Edge's built-in translator, but nothing happens when you visit foreign language sites? This problem usually happens because browser settings block translation, extensions interfere, or cache and cookies prevent the feature from working. Sometimes recent updates or profile issues also trigger this problem. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guide with confusing flags, risky profile resets, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't restore translation. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact browser and cache path that controls Edge's translator. This works because it restores proper function without affecting your bookmarks or history. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows setups. Once you apply it, pages translate automatically. The feature works normally, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Microsoft Edge translation is not working, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.